Hey there, thanks for joining me. This is the Oracle of the Feather Crown Tree. We are going to do your weekly crown chakra reading to see where this chakra is at right now. And I am getting that there's some sadness here. There's a feeling of maybe some self-pity, if I have to be honest. And it may be around something about love, or something that you once loved. It may be kind of falling away, and you know that it's going to fade. It's very temporary. And you may be trying to hold on to your wisdom and keep that close to your heart as a means of self-protection. There is even a looking towards something higher than you, like a language that's higher than you that may be failing you. Like you may know this language and how to communicate like this, but it's not of this world. And the sadness may be because you're isolated in this understanding of how to be in a more evolved space, perhaps, that has you disconnected from being able. It's like you can't be the being that you are, the unique, odd, intelligent being that you are, simply because it's so at odds with the world around you. And because of that, you may feel a little bit truncated in how to assert your power into your reality. And I'm looking here too at the energy coming in to help, which I get, you may be feeling some different, I don't want to say like it's too high, like highs and lows, but despite your sadness, there is an inner truth of happiness, of serenity, of knowing who you really are. And that is what makes you happy. That is what makes you glow. And it's like you don't want to be anything than you actually are. And being who you are is where you're impassioned, where you feel that you can serve your highest purpose, where you can light up the world around you and live a otherworldly existence to a certain degree. And maybe you just need to own that it's okay to not necessarily stay in the level that you are expected to, that you can be in a space that deals with the higher realms and spiritual enlightenment and thoughts that are lofty and idealized and float around. And that's perfectly fine if that's what makes you happy, because you need your happiness, you need your passion and happiness to come together. And I think that if you choose to be restrained in your self-expression, that is where you will ultimately not be emotionally at your best, and you'll not be able to bloom. You'll wither, and everything that wants to bloom through you cannot and won't have any permanence. So I do hope that this was helpful. Thank you for joining me for it, and we'll start the cycle over again on Monday with the root chakra. So stay blessed, you guys. Much peace to you.